This is the demo for the host stack in PrepareForMantainance state feature. So this feature is almost a fix for a corner case in which setting a host into maintenance leaded to a infinite PrepareForMantainance state on a host. So if we take this host one, we'll see that there are several VMs running on it, and I have produced a script to block current migrations in which we basically reject some migration ports on this KVM host. So if I now execute that script and I check that these ports are being rejected, and I would like to get one of the VMs and migrate it to another host, this won't be possible. So this is a way to simulate a failure on a migration. And if that host is meant to enter maintenance mode, we ask Cloudstack to prepare maintenance mode on the host, and it will go directly from PrepareForMantainance to a new state, which should be error in PrepareForMantainance when it detects that the migrations are not possible to be shipped. So there's an error when trying to migrate VMs away. In this case, the administrator needs to fix the problem, which in this case we have manually explicitly set the problem ourselves. But in the case of an administrator, this new state will help him to detect and fix any error, then cancel maintenance mode, fix the errors, in which our case is cleaning up the rules and ensuring that there are no blocks for that ports, and then try to put the host into maintenance, which will need to wait the VMs to be migrated away, and after that the host goes into maintenance state.